Do you know many people are having trouble with switching blades on their Cricut Maker? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open Clamp B. Gently open Clamp B on your Cricut Maker to begin the process. Step 2. Remove blade housing. Carefully remove the current blade housing from the clamp. Step 3. Insert fabric blade. Insert the fabric blade housing into Clamp B, aligning it properly. Step 4. Align gears. Ensure the gears of the blades align correctly for smooth operation. Step 5. Close Clamp B. Close Clamp B to securely lock the new fabric blade in place. Now you should be able to switch to a fabric blade on your Cricut Maker effortlessly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Cricut users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.